Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today, I'm in the hills of Sosua and I'm going to show you a beautiful two-level home with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Great property for rentals and could be your family home as well. So why don't you come on in? So guys, this house could be yours. It's a beautiful home, beautiful structure, and located only like a 7-minute drive from the beaches and everything that Sosua has to offer. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye!